Today, we have with us Ms. Angeline Sinaya, Business Development Manager of University of Niagara Falls, Canada. We are here to talk about its programs, benefits, and opportunities for international students because this university was founded recently at the heart of Niagara Falls in Canada, which is a very picturesque and beautiful tourist destination. So imagine studying in a beautiful city like that. But even though they were introduced recently, they have become quite popular among our local students because of their career focused master's and bachelor's programs. So today, first of all, welcome Angeline to the show. Could you please introduce about University Niagara Falls and what the university actually wants to give international students?
Yes, Sarah, thank you for the introduction. So, we are located in the heart of Niagara Falls, which is very close to the Niagara Falls. So, when you talk about Niagara Falls, we know it's like the number one tourist destinations in Canada. It's from Europe and South Asia. All the tourists they visit Niagara Falls. So, because of that, the location is very convenient. And also, our campus is very new. So, we opened this in 2023 November, and we have almost passed 5 semesters, and also we have very good successful students even in Sri Lanka, and from Skygate there are many students as well. And we have five main programs because our university is focusing on the digital world, because now we know everything, every programs we are focusing on to get the digital world in Canada.
Well, that was a really good explanation. So, what are the kind of programs that UNF offers, and what are the entry requirements the student should possess in order to be eligible?
All right. So we do have five main programs at the moment. In undergraduate, we have biomedical science and business administration. Any students who have completed their advanced level in Sri Lanka, they are welcome to apply for the program. And especially if the student is planning to do medicine, because you know in Canada, if you are doing medicine, you need to do a 4 years degree in Canada. After that only you can start your medicine pathways. So in UNF, we have pathways for that as well. So we are not promising that they will get the medicine, because that depends on their GPA as well, because they need to maintain a standard GPA of 3.0. But if you are really a good smart student, UNF is the best option because you have pathways to do your medicines as well. And when it comes to master's program, we have three main master's program: Masters of Management, Masters of Data Analytics, Masters of Digital Media and Global Communication. All these programs are 18 months program, and also you can come along with your dependent as well. And also these programs, all are five programs, you are eligible to get a 3-year postgraduate work permit in Canada.
Oh, that's great.
Yes. And also that the minimum requirement is a GPA of 3.0. I hope like Sri Lankan students are very talented, and they will definitely get more than that. So it's easy for them to get into our programs.
So, what about the English proficiency? Because most students they really want to know how whether we need IELTS, whether we could get a waiver of. How does that work?
So, Sarah, we can do waiver of the IELTS if they can provide the medium of instruction letter. But when it comes to the visa, it depends on the criteria, because these days they are very particular. You need to do the visa, but you can save the time by applying with your MOI. Or else we do give preparatory English preparatory course if you are willing to apply and come and do the English preparatory course in Canada as well.
So what you mean by MOI is a medium of instruction letter from your university that you have followed your degree in English medium, right?
Yes, correct.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, another common question on behalf of our local students is the scholarships. They would like to know how they could be eligible and whether scholarships are available. But I think UNF does offer scholarships, and you all have introduced new scholarships as well. So could you explain about it?
Yes. So Sarah, we already had scholarships, but recently last week we have introduced more scholarships, which is Canadian Entrance Award and Global Excellence Award for international students. And we have these two main scholarships. So, for example, let's say you already have a student in Canada, they are more than in Canada for 1 year period. They can be in their postgraduate work permit or after their 1 year studies, or they are waiting to apply for their PR pathways, and they can apply to our master's program in the domestic tuition fees rate. The tuition fee rates are available on our website, so depend on the program, they can check it as well. And for international students, we do have scholarships. So recently we had depend on the GPA from 3.0 to 4.33. It depends on the GPA categories. We do offer scholarships. For example, Master of Data Analytics, we do offer 10,000 Canadian dollars. But from now, anyone who is applying to our master's program is eligible for these scholarships. So which means every students are eligible to get a scholarship for our October intake.
Right.
Yeah.
And I think it's an exciting news for the existing students right now in
Yes.
Canada, because they can study their masters with a very valuable discount, a scholarship as well,
Yeah.
right?
Because I think so many students are like, can't afford after their postgraduate, they are very
Yes.
stuck in Canada, they don't know what to do,
Yes.
because masters is very expensive. So this is a good opportunity for grab them, because UNF has 15 million Canadian dollars scholarships award. So why not utilize those and
Yes,
get the
definitely.
maximum use? Yeah.
Okay, so here we have lots of information that we have provided to you regarding UNF, their programs, their scholarships, eligibility, and how you could join them. If you want to know further information to join the upcoming fall intake, which will begin, I think, in October. Am I
October.
right? Right. In October. So we have started applications and we are ready with our batch, but we still have seats available where you are not late. You can still apply for the fall intake. And also the other important thing, I think, is when you go for your master's levels, you can also take your family with
Family
you,
as
right?
well. Yes.
Right. So we have lots of graduates who are married, who want to go with their family to study, work, and live in Canada. So this is one of the best opportunities where you can actually take your family also fast. So UNF being placed at a beautiful city, what are the other facilities and amenities you have for international students?
Yeah. So we do have a career guidance department, and also especially we do have our on-campus accommodation, which is
Okay.
very reasonable, because we know these days students are staying in one accommodation like 8 to 10 people, but that is very uncomfortable for them to study and especially to focus on their life as well. So UNF has a very reasonable accommodation, which is only 675 Canadian dollars in twin shared basis. And also, if they want the single accommodation for themselves, it's 1,300. This is for single students. But if they are coming with their families or kids, we do have other pathway providers, which is at a reasonable pricing. So they can register and get those accommodation as well. So when we talk about the career service, Sarah, these days it's very important to know. Our students mainly ask how can they apply for a job after their graduation. So our UNF Career Guidance Department, they will have a one-to-one with the students, and they will tell them how they should make their CVs and how they should face the mock interviews and also cover letters. So this will be very supportive, because in Ontario, that's itself, it's the biggest country. So, there are so many cities. If a student is coming from IT or business or maybe some marketing, so there are different set of cities they need to apply. So our team will guide them accurately where they should apply and get those jobs.
Right. Thank you very much, Angeline. So with that, we conclude our podcast session for today. You can always call Skygate International and get more information about UNF and their programs. We are now accepting applications for the fall 2025 intake. And not to forget, if you are going to study your masters, you can take your family also with you. So don't miss this opportunity and the career focused programs that the UNF has to offer. Thank you very much.